Okay guys, so this week you guys are going to be talking about quadrilaterals and polygons. Okay, so, and then on the last day you guys are going to just do a fun little easy review activity of quadrilaterals and polygons. So today we're talking about quadrilaterals, and a quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. Okay, and then we go into further detail of what a quadrilateral is. So it's either going to be a parallelogram or a trapezoid. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay, and then a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with only 1 pair of parallel sides. Okay, so most of them are going to be a parallelogram. Okay, but we can break this up further. So we have a rhombus and a rectangle. A rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides, so they're all sides are the same length. And then a rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. Okay. So a square has 4 right angles and 4 congruent sides, so it's in its own category right here. Okay, but they are all parallelograms over here. Okay, then next we're going to be talking about the sum of measures of angles of any quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So inside our shape we have angles, right? And when we add them all up, they're going to be 360. Okay, so in any parallelogram, opposite sides and opposite angles are congruent. Okay, let's jump right into this. Okay, so we have 6 questions we're going to be doing here. We need to name the quadrilateral and find the missing angle. Okay, so this one right here, I know that this has 4 sides. They all have 4 sides, okay? But this has 2 pairs of parallel sides. So we have 1 pair here and 1 pair here. So this is going to be a parallelogram. Okay, and then we need to solve for the missing angle. So we're going to add them all up, okay? This right here means that this one and this one are the same. So this one's 135 as well. Okay, so we have 135 plus 135 plus the 45 that they give us, plus the 45 plus x, okay? All of that, all 4 angles are going to be equal to 360. Okay, so I'm going to add up what I know. So 135 plus 135 plus 45 is 315. Okay, is equal to 360. Okay, then I need to solve. So I'm going to subtract 315 from both sides. So I can get x all by itself. So 360 minus 315 gives me 45 degrees. So x is 45 degrees on that one. Okay, this next side, I have a parallel and a parallel, right? So we're almost at a parallelogram, but these 2 lines going in, if they keep going, they're going to end up meeting and crossing, which is not parallelogram. So this is a trapezoid. Okay? And we're setting it up. So we're adding 60 plus 45 plus 100 plus x is equal to 360. Then I'm adding 60 plus 45 plus 100, okay? So that's 205. So we get 205 plus x is equal to 360, and minus 205 from both sides. X is equal to, and what would our x be equal to? Well, we have 10 minus 5, that's 5, and then we lose this one, so 5 minus 0 is 5, and then 3 minus 2 is 1, so 155 degrees. Okay, we're just solving for the missing variable. So remember that these boxes are all 90 degrees, so 90, 90, 90. Box represents 90 degrees. Okay, so we have 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus x is equal to 360. So 90 plus 90 plus 90, we get 270 plus x is equal to 360. Subtracted 270 from both sides. I get x is equal to 360 minus 270 is 90 degrees. Okay? And then what would this be? Is this a square? Is it a rectangle? Is it a rhombus? This would be a rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, so remember, we're naming them and we are writing the degree. This next one, we know this isn't a square, we know it's not a rectangle, we know it's not a trapezoid, this is a rhombus, right? Or you may have known it as a diamond before. Okay, again, this line is equal to this line, so this one's also 120. So we have 120 plus 120 plus 60 is plus x equal to 360. So 120 plus 120 plus 60, we get to 40, right? Plus the 60 is 300. So we have 300 plus x equals to 360 degrees minus the 300. We get x is 60 degrees. Okay? Two more. So we have a square here, we can tell, because there's 4 right angles, and all sides are going to be the same. So this is a square. Okay, we know that those are 90, so we have 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, plus x. Okay, is 360. So I have 270 plus x equal to 360, subtracted 270. So x is equal to 90 degrees as well here. Okay, over here is where it gets just a little bit trickier. Okay, we're gonna have to solve for x and then plug it back in to solve for that angle. Okay, so on this one, we're gonna just add all of these up. So we have 24x plus 3, that's 1, plus 86 plus 75 plus 100 is equal to 360. Okay, then we're going to add all these up. 86 plus 75 plus 100 is 261, so we have 24, and then x plus 3 plus the 261 is equal to the 360. I'm going to subtract the 261. Okay, then I get 24x plus 3 is equal to 99, sorry. We're going to subtract 3, we get 24x is equal to 96 divided by 24. Okay, x is equal to 96 divided by 24 is 4. So x is 4. Okay, so we're going to plug it back in. 24x plus 3. So 24 times 4 plus 3. 24 times 4. Okay, and then we're going to add 3, and this would be 99 degrees. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. So this one we have x and that. What shape was this one? Do we remember? We have 2 parallel sides and then 2 that are going to slowly meet. So this would be a trapezoid as well. Okay?